Hello, my name is Peter Mackenzie-Helnwein. I am here to show you how to get our Python resource files that you'll be using throughout that bootcamp training session. There are multiple ways of getting the resources. The easiest way is to go to our NHERI-SimCenter Bootcamp 2020 site. I hope you see here our link. It's github.com NHERI-SimCenter/SimCenter Bootcamp 2020. You can simply search for NHERI-SimCenter on GitHub and find the SimCenter Bootcamp among our many repositories. Once you are in the SimCenter repository, it's very easy. You have here the code selection, code. The easiest way to get going for now is simply download the zip file. The zip folder is going to come here in a local place. On the Mac, it's the Finder. Otherwise, it links you to your file explorer. You unzip that folder. For me, it puts this guy into downloads. I personally prefer to find it easier in my home folder. It's all up to you where you want this. I put it here in my home folder, and that gives you the entire set of information. We are going to run those notebooks locally on your machine. In order to make that happen, you had to install Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook installation isn't very difficult, and I have the notes on our website. Please, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you install those, follow those notebooks, and we're going to talk about that in our exercise session where I will check in with you that everybody got it to work. Now, let's go on and I show you how to start Jupyter Notebooks and how to run the notebooks for our follow-up work sessions. First, we go to a terminal application. And if you go to terminal, that's on the Mac. On Windows, you go into the Windows selection and look for the CMD. That's the Windows version of a terminal window. If you go to a terminal, from here, we need to navigate to where we put our resources. I put it in my home folder under SimCenter Bootcamp. So that's what we just downloaded. So the command to get there is cd space and then case sensitive start with SimCenter. You can do it. I pressed the tab button to speed this up. -master. That was the one that we've been looking for. Under masters, we had presentations. And in presentations, we had Python Quickstart tutorial. Unix systems do not like the space. So what I've done was I started typing py and pressed the tab key and it did the expand. And you see that what it did was it put in front of the spaces the backslash. That's one way to get there. You should be now in the Quick Start manual. The way to check that you have everything right, we are doing a listing. It's ls-l on the Mac, or it is dir to show the directory on the Windows machine. So I'm here on the Mac, so I need to type the ls-l, and we should see here all our files, the important part, outline.ipynb. This is IPython notebook, which is read by Jupyter. In here, we need to fire up Jupyter Notebook. We can run the notebook, Jupyter-notebook, in the folder where we have all the resources, and it should pop up our default browser with the notebook running in it. So I go here, full screen mode. We have here all the files that we have in our folder. It should be running Jupyter. And we start with the outline. By clicking once on the outline, you should get something that looks similar to this. That's our plan for the next few days. And from here on, I will pick up in the actual Python class.